come on. Jess.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? Do we wait?
Now let's go to the bridge. Yeah. We'll get the captain to put a call out to the Coast Guard. Maybe we'll get a search on ahead. Okay.
Hello? Where the fuck is everybody? Do you even know where we're going?
Or are we just walking for the sake of it?
You alright?
I feel like I know this place.
Hello? It's like you got your welcome party. It's not the welcome.
I saw someone.
Fuck.
Wait! Hello? Sally?
There, over there, I can see somebody.